Hello everyone, welcome to accountancy class. I myself Divya, lecturer in commerce, GSIPU College, Mysore. Today in this session, let us learn about the dissolution of partnership firm, chapter 5, session 4. So let's get started. In this question, X, Y, Z are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1:1. Their balance sheet as on 31st 2018 was as follows. Bills payable 4,300, creditors inner column 6,000, less reserve for discount 300, outer column 5,700, joint life policy fund 4,000. So capitals, X capital amount 30,000, Y 20,000, Z 20,000. On the asset side, cash in hand 1,000, bills receivable 400, stock 20,000, debtors 7,000, inner column less RBD 400, outer column 6,600. Joint life policy 4,000, machinery 50,000, prepaid rent 2,000. So total of the balance sheet is 84,000. Adjustment. The firm was dissolved on the above date. First adjustment, X took over joint life policy for rupees 5,000. Second one, stock realized rupees 22,000, debtors realized rupees 4,100 and machinery was sold for rupees 58,000. Next, third one, bills on hand realized in full. Fourth adjustment, one bill of rupees 500 under discount was dishonored and had to be paid by the firm. Next one, creditors were paid rupees 5,700 in full settlement and bills payable paid in full. So you have to prepare the realization account, partners capital accounts and cash account. So in this question, so X, Y, Z are partners, their share is 2:1:1. So the bills payable, we're going to record bills payable, creditors and joint life policy fund recorded in the realization account credit side. Reserve for discount, so it is recorded on the debit side. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ two types adjust ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Creditors 6,000 ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಕೊಂಡು ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಔಟರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ 5,700 ಇರೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಯಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ವೈ ಅಂಡ್ ಝೆಡ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. So joint life policy fund, so it is taken only on the credit side of the realization account because it is just a fund representing the accumulated profit. It is not a liability to be paid, but it can also be taken directly in the partner's capital account. Next, on the asset side, cash in hand is there, it is recorded in cash account. Next one, bills receivable, stock, debtors, joint life policy, machinery and prepaid rent recorded in the realization account. Debtors 7,000 inner column ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡು RBD ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 400 rupees ಆದ್ರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಔಟರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ 6,600 ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಯಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ದ ಫರ್ಮ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಅಬೌವ್ ಡೇಟ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟುಕ್ ಓವರ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಫಾರ್ rupees 5,000. So once you are recording in the realization account, that is on the assets taken over by the partner on the credit side of the realization account, partners capital account ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್. ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ಡ್ rupees 22,000, debtors realized 4,100 and machinery 58,000 once it is recorded in the realization account credit side and again in the cash account debit side. Next, bills on hand realized in full. So bills payable 4,300, that is realized in full value. It is recorded in the realization account debit side. So once in realization account, again in cash account. Next, one bill for rupees 500 under discount was dishonored and had to be paid by the firm. So once you are recording in the realization account debit side, that is the bill dishonored, and again in balance sheet. So creditors were paid rupees 5,700 in full settlement and bills payable paid in full. So creditors and bills payable, it is recorded in the realization account debit side and also in cash account. So you have to prepare the realization account, partners capital account as well as in cash account. Next, realization account. First write the heading realization account, debit and credit, particulars, amount, particulars and amount. So realization account is prepared at the time of dissolution of the firm to ascertain profit or loss on the realization of the assets and liabilities. So in the question, so on the liability side of the balance sheet, so bills payable is given, bring that amount bills payable to the credit side of realization account, bills payable 4,300. Next, by creditors account amount is 6,000. Next, by life policy fund amount is 4,000. 2. Reserve for discount on creditors, discount on creditors amount is 300. Next, see the asset side. So bring, except cash, bring all the other assets to the realization account debit side. So first one, to bills receivable account amount is 400. Next, see the balance sheet. Stock is given to stock account amount is 20,000. Next, see the balance sheet. Debtors is there. So inner column debtors value 7,000. Bring that amount. Next one, RBD is there. By RBD amounted to rupees 400. Next, to joint life policy account amount is 4,000. Next, to machinery amounted to rupees 50,000. Next, to prepaid rent is there, that is 2,000. Next, see the adjustment. The firm was dissolved on the above date. X took over joint life policy rupees 5,000 and stock realized 22,000, debtors realized 4,100 and machinery 58,000. So write on the credit side of the realization account, cash account. Under cash, first one, the stock realized, stock, right in the inner column 22,000. Next, debtors, it is in the adjustment 4,100. Next, machinery 58,000. Next one, bills receivable is there, amounted to rupees 400. Total 84,500. Here the prepaid rent is there in the asset side, so it is assumed that prepaid rent was adjusted towards rent for dissolution process period, hence no recovery is made from the landlord, therefore the prepaid rent was not taken along with the assets realized. Next, X took over joint life policy record on the credit side of the realization account by X capital account, that is joint life policy taken over, amounted to rupees 5,000. So bills on and realized in full value, that is 400, I already recorded here, it is realized in full value. Fourth one bill for rupees 500 under discount was dishonored, had to be paid by the firm. So on the debit side of the realization account you record to cash account. Fifth adjustment, creditors were paid rupees 5,700 in full settlement and bills payable paid in full value. So creditors 5,700. Next, bills payable amounted to rupees 4,300. Next, dishonored bill is there 500. Total 10,500. So here all the adjustment are adjusted in the realization account. So now you total the realization account. So which side is greater here? So credit side is greater. Total the amount. So 1,04,200. Write the same amount on the debit side, 1,04,200. When you balance total all these items and deduct from 1,04,200, you will get 10,000. So this balance transferred to partners capital account. This is profit on realization account. Now you distribute this to X, Y and Z in their profit sharing ratio. 10,000 into their ratio is 2:1:1, that is 4, 2 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Distribute this one to the partners. 10,000 into X share 2 by 4, again 10,000 into 1 by 4 and 10,000 into 1 by 4 Z share, it comes to 5,000, 2,500, 2,500. One partners capital account, write the heading, then debit and credit, write the particulars. So X, Y, Z column, particulars and X, Y, Z column. Partners capital account is prepared in order to know the claims against the firm. First you bring the capital balance from the balance sheet. By balance brought down. See the question, 30,000, 20,000 and 20,000. Next see the realization account. In the realization account, bring the realization account balance 5,000, 2,500 and 2,500. Next see the realization account. So on the credit side you are recorded the asset taken over by the partner. So it is recorded on the debit side of the partner's capital account to realization account, that is assets taken over So asset taken over amount is 5,000. Next, balance the partner's capital account. The total of the X column 35,000, Y 22,500, Z 22,500. Bring the same balance to the debit side. 35,000, 22,500, 22,500 in the Z column. So when you balance the account 35,000 minus 5,000, you will get 30,000. Here 22,500 minus 0, 22,500. Here also 22,500 minus 0, you will get 22,500. So this balance is carried down to cash account. This is balancing figure. So after ascertaining the amount due to the partners, their account has to be settled. So while settling, the first you have to pay if any partner loan is there, then finally what is the balance arrived in the partner's capital account, it has to be paid. So cash or bank account shows the final settlement of partners' claims as all the cash transactions resulting in closure of the firm's business. So in this question they are given to open the cash account. So first open the cash account, write debit as well as credit, particulars, amount, particulars as well as amount. See the balance sheet, the cash balance is there. So bring that cash balance to the cash account to balance brought down. So amount in the balance sheet is 1,000. Next, in the realization account credit side, we are recorded by cash. So here you record realization account. This is assets realized. So what is the total amount recorded? 84,500. So in the realization account debit side, we are recorded to cash account. So the total amount in the realization account, bring that amount to the cash account by realization account. This is liabilities paid. So the total amount is 10,500. 10,500. Next, once you check the balance sheet, is there any partner's loan? So in this question, the partner's loan is not given. Now see the partner's capital account. So the balance in the partner's capital account should be brought down to cash account by X capital account. X capital account 30,000. Next, by Y's capital account, that is 22,500. Then Z's capital account 22,500. So the total of the cash account is 85,500. So when you total on the debit side, you will get the same amount, 85,500. The cash account is closed. I hope all of you have understood today's session. Thank you.